Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. It's year one's presentation assembly. Here we are at the end of this half term. As you can see, it's Friday the 22nd of October 2021 and we're here to celebrate all those year one children who've been working so hard throughout this half term and they've earned themselves certificates to take home at the end of today. So really well done to all those year ones. I've got some house captains here to help me this morning. They're going to help and they're going to shout out those names. So come on Anna, come on up. Here we go. We'll start off with our math stars and those children working so hard. And you can see how hard they're working with their maths. Who've we got, man?
Raf, Jack, Evie and Kylo.
Brilliant. Stand up, you guys. Come on, you year ones. Let's give them a massive cheer. Well done, guys. Look, big smile from Jack's face. Absolutely, you should be smiling now. So really well done, guys. And enjoy taking your certificates home today. Next, we have our reading stars. Those children have been working really hard on reading. Come on, Martin. Come on in and give us our reading stars. Those children have been reading every single day. Who have we got?
Elizabeth, Betsy, Jackson and Georgia.
Indeed. Look at those. Amazing. Well done, you four. Thank you for reading every single day. Let's keep that up as well over half term and enjoy taking your certificates home today. You absolute superstars. Really well done. Next, we've got our PE stars. Those have been really active, really physical. All of those children, really well done to those. Come on then. Who have we got?
You've got Bailey, Rudy, Harley and Charlie.
We certainly have. Look, there they are. Look at Rudy. Big smiling face. Well done, guys. Let's stand up in class. Come on. Let's give them a massive cheer. Why not? And enjoy taking your certificates home today. And keep being active over half term. Keep getting lots and lots of exercise, because I know you will. Well done. Congratulations. Next, we've got our Phonics Stars. These children have been learning their sounds and actually are now reading really well because they're blending all their sounds. It's amazing. So let's give these year ones a big shout out. Come on, who have we got?
Zara, Lola, Jessica and Willow.
We certainly have. Look, there they are. Look, and again, look at Lola's big smile. Zara, look, you should be smiling. Well done, guys, earning your certificates. Enjoy taking those home today, you superstars. Fantastic. Next, we've got our history stars. They've been working really hard on history in year one. They really have. And these guys absolutely have. You can see by their huge smiles as well. Who have we got?
We've got Amelia, Thomas, Esme and Yasmin.
We certainly have. Look at that. Look at Yasmin again. Big smiles on all of their faces. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Stand up so everyone give you a massive cheer in class as well. So really well done. Well done. Oh, here we go. Look, some English. Look at these English stars now. These guys. And look at the English they've been producing. It's amazing. It's absolutely phenomenal. Who have we got?
We've got Toby, Luz, Naya and Naya.
Naya and Naya, look. But look at the writing. Well done, guys. So you should be smiling. That is amazing writing. So really well done. Well done on earning your certificates. Absolute superstars. I'm so proud of you and keep that up, okay? Thank you. Next, we've got our maths stars. Come on in. Martin, who have we got for our maths? Who's been working maths? And Martin likes a bit of maths as well, don't you? Hey? So who have we got for our maths stars?
Jensen, Sarah, Charlotte and Dorian.
We have, look, these guys, look at the maths that's going on as well. Amazing work, guys. Really well done. Jensen with our maths done 800. Amazing. So well done, guys. Stand up and let's give you all a massive cheer. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home at the end of today. Well done. Our history stars, look at these guys. Look. Great photos there with back in history with those black and white photos in the background. But these guys have been working really hard on their history project throughout this half term. Who have we got?
We've got Breland, Lucas, Jamie and Matilda.
We have. Look at them, look. Look at Jamie, big smile on his face there. Really well done, guys. Come on, let's stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. So proud of you. So well done on earning your history certificates, you absolute superstars. And keep that up throughout next time as well. Thank you. Next, we have our reading stars. Now, these guys have been reading every day and over the weekends. It's superb. Really brilliant. So, who have we got?
Emily, Oliver, Esme and Elinka.
Indeed. Look at Elinka. Look at Elinka's massive smile. Look. Well done, guys. So proud of you. Huge congratulations. Stand up. Come on. Let's give them a massive cheer, everyone. Let's give them a massive cheer in class. Really well done. I know your parents will be really proud of you all. And thank you, parents, as well, for doing all that reading at home with your children as well, because it's much appreciated. We go a piece. Oh, look at these guys. Look at this. At the UEA. Look how fit they look, eh? They've earned themselves their PE certificates. And who are they?
We've got Ava, Ollie, Ruben and Tia.
We certainly have. Look at these four. Look at them. So they should be smiling. Okay, not only, I know they've won lots of medals while they were there at the UEA as well, but you've earned yourself your PE certificate. So really well done, you guys. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up again. Keep it up over half term. Keep being really active, being really physical over half term as well, because I know you will be. There it is. Right. Oh, here we go. Not only have those children earned all those certificates, but these children are going to stand up a minute class because these guys have been earning themselves house points throughout this half term. You see how many they have earned. We've got the top 3 in each class. And as you can see in Mr. Ackerman's class, and needing to stand up now, we've got Jack, and we've got Esme, and we've got Zara. Look, 25, 26, 27, 1 house point in it. Stand up, you 3, so everyone can give you a massive cheer. So really, really well done on earning all of those house points this term. And those are the top 3 in Mr. Ackerman's class. So it's really well done for earning all of those merits and all of those house points throughout this half term, you superstars. Look out, Miss Marshall, look at these, look. So again, top 3 again. So we've got Marcy, we've got Toby, and we've got Willow, look. We've got 19, 20 and 21 again. Just 1 house point in between each of them. So you 3 stand up as well, let's give them a massive cheer. Actually, all 6 of them working so hard in year 1, earning lots and lots of merit, earning lots of house points for their houses. And at the end of term, when we come to the Christmas presentation, we'll find out who's won the Keen Cup. And I know these house captains are keen to find out who that is as well. So keep earning those merits and keep earning those house points. Finally, just leaves me to say, well done everyone, well done to everyone. Whether you've won certificates or not, thank you. It's been an amazing half term, so thank you all so much. Enjoy the half term break. As you can see, we're all back on Monday the 1st of November. The gates open at 8:30. Parents, please do share this link far and wide with aunties, uncles, grandparents, please. Let's get as many people watching these as possible to really celebrate these children and join in that celebration. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful and safe half term. See you all on Monday the 1st of November, and I hope you all have a great and restful half term as well. Until then everyone, bye bye now.